So when undertaking one of these classifications, one of the things we need is training data, and while we can do processes to try and automatically extract that from other data sets, something that's very commonly done is that we need to actually draw some training data sets. So in this case, we've got Google Earth imagery in the background in QGIS. We've got those shape files that we've been using in the classification, and we're just going to add, using the edit tools in QGIS, add some extra training data here, in this case for the urban class. So that was adding in new polygons. So we save those, and now this is the vertex tool, so you can see you can then edit the where those the shape of those polygons and all that kind of stuff afterwards. So just save that, toggle off the editing, and we'll now just add a quick polygon into the mangrove class as well.